We're Haley and Michael, and we've been together for 11 years this year. This is our very first travel vlog. We haven't been on a vacation in over 9 years, and I am so excited to bring you guys along from Washington State to Nevada to Las Vegas, baby. So get on board, get on the plane, but before we can even start any of that, we need to take it back to April 3rd when we started packing. So let's go. It is time to pack for Vegas. It is Wednesday morning, and I have all of our stuff. It's not going to be finalized till tonight because Michael has to like confirm his side, but it's our first time flying out of state together. We've driven across from Washington to Texas before, and then we've gone to Oregon and stuff, so this is our first time flying together alone in 9 years. Last time we did this, I was 21. And we were with family, so let's pack our suitcase. We're only going to take one, and let's see what we can do. Good morning. It is April 4th and it is flight day, so we are packing. I started packing yesterday, but now I gotta finish. I have my makeup bag packed, and we don't have any like toiletries or anything because we're not like people who travel. We would love to be, so I just have to buy those when we get there. But I have all my makeup stuff, my curler, my brush. I'm bringing my unicorn crystal in my purse. I'm super excited, or like before we go. So I'm charging all of my camera gear. I have to find my other batteries, and yeah, hopefully this is enough. I know. 9 years.
Wait, it's probably closed.
Yeah, I was confused too. They gave me this, but I think it was for the like receipt. Oh, receipt. It literally says it. Say hi.
What do you pass an ID, please?
ID? Yeah.
It's been 9 years. So yeah, you can act like.
I'm gonna vlog. Hello. We're at the airport, as you can tell.
Just run into someone.
I'm watching.
We're at the airport.
We're at the... I'm so excited.
They got all the high-class stores in the airport.
I know. little
Ooh, they have
update.
warm bowls,
Ooh.
salads, warm wraps.
Ooh, warm wraps. Okay, it's like 6:20ish, and our flight board's at 7 something. 6:25, and our flight board's at like 7 something. I'm so excited. Look how good this lighting is, babe. Look how good you look. What are you looking like?
What am I looking like?
No, just like you're just staring at them in the soul. Say hi to grandma, she watches. Okay. And I'm breaking out. Disgusting.
Oh my god.
Thank you. We're getting food. I'm so hungry.
Where are we eating at?
We're eating at Evergreens.
Show 'em what it is.
I already did. Okay, I'll do it again. They have warm bowls, salads, warm wraps, breakfast. It literally looks so good. I am so surprised I'm not shy vlogging right now because I truly don't care because no one else is going to get paid for it except me. You know, one day a whole trip of me vlogging will be free, and today's the day. What we paid for Vegas will be paid for. We will get our money back or something equivalent. I'm manifesting that this trip is free. Right, babe?
Yep.
I'm so excited. Look at that little thingy.
What's up, guys?
It's okay to be. Can I do the curry? Thank you so much. That looks amazing. I feel so like.
But I got Parmesan, feta, bacon bits, cilantro, and egg.
I got 2 things of beans, and then I got something else bean, and then I got cauliflower, 2 things of chicken, and it does, and then cucumber. Look how good. Yeah. You can't even see me. Oh my god. I don't even know if this is gonna taste good together. Turkish Airlines just took off. It's almost time to board. I look crazy.
Or we're just standing in line. We'll still be in line when they call for us.
Main cabin 2 customers, main cabin 2, your come to board using general and aisle left hand side. Main cabin 2.
Look how cool this is. I'm a travel. Good morning. I don't think it's morning, but thank you. Hello. We're travel bloggers now.
The video screen and for a brief presentation of the safety features on our aircraft. If you're
Our first time. Well, since having kids. I'm ready. I'm like so tired. Let's go. Ooh, this is a bigger airport than ours.
Remember coming home here?
No. Oh, we took Alaska
Oh yeah.
too, so it's different. Baggage claim. Hey, they're going on an actual red eye. I took a photo. You enjoying the ride, babe? I'm dead. I hit the Bubba Fett so I don't forget. Already.
Here we go.
We're in Vegas, baby. We're so corny. Now this is Vegas, baby. Let's go.
27 hot
This train is going to Terminal 1 for baggage claim, ground transportation, ticketing, and aid.
I'm so excited, babe. Ooh, actually I'm gonna do a flop test. Are you ready?